Hi my friends, today I will explain how you will earn from TikTok, collect tips. If your viewers like what you're doing, they can send you tips directly through your TikTok profile. You get to keep 100% of the tip amount, minus the Stripe processing fee. Before you can start collecting tips, you must meet TikTok's eligibility requirements. You have to be over 18 years old, with at least 100,000 followers. If you can fill up this requirement, then you can earn money from TikTok, collect tips. Note, if my video helpful for you then follow, subscribe, please. Thank you.